Welcome to Stephanie's Notes. I'm Stephanie. Today we're going to look at tense 6 in the 9 tense in Cantonese. Tense 6. Low, mid-pitched, stays at the same pitch, don't rise or dip. There is no need to do so. Here are some examples. Hai, hai, the verb to be. Or yes when answering an is it question. Hai唔係啊? Hai meaning yes, it is, or唔係, no, it is not. Hai. Bang, bang, to be ill or an illness. Deen, deen, meaning power or electricity. Deen si, meaning television. I hope you found this video useful. 加油啊! Happy learning. See you next time. Bye.